Toshi, Ochigari, anything of your choice. Come on, Shardhan Shambhu. Very good, Gautami. Very good, Gautami. Very good speed, Gautami. Mate. Relax for 10 seconds. Relax for 10 seconds. Very good, Kantara, sir. Ready? Burpees, go! 5 more seconds. Come on, Ishani and Trishla. Come on, Ishanvi. Come on, Gaur. Come on, come on, come on. Speed up. Mate, relax. Relax. Shadow Chikome. Shadow Chikome. Last Shadow Chikome. Go! Come on, speed up, girls. Boys, come on, everybody, sir. Speed up. Speed up. 5 more seconds. Come on. Technique of your choice, Bijoy and Pratima. Very good. Purnima, sorry. Mate, sorry, Purnima. Yes, very good. Keep going, Bijoy. Leave it, leave it. Leave it. Now, the rolling squat, rolling squat, rolling squat, boys and girls. Roll with one leg. Go! Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, Bijoy. Get up and rolling squat. Rolling squat. Rolling. Yes, come on again. Come on again, get up. Come on again, get up. Bijoy, yes. Now get up. Very good. Speed up now. Come on, come on. Last 12 seconds. Speed up, speed up. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, yes. Shardhan and Shambhu, speed up. Speed up. Mate, mate everyone. Very good. Thank you, Kantara sir. Thank you very much. Boys and girls, there's no need to push yourself very hard because the circuit training is high intensity interval training is not for you. Okay? So you can manage speed on your own, relax, uchikomi, relax, then push-ups and any exercise, but don't push yourself very hard. The rest between the set is around 90 seconds. So this is the time you need to recover and help your heart, your muscles, your body to recover. Yes, very good, Shruti Uniyal. Yes, everyone, breathe out while bending forward, breathe in while stretching your lungs. Come on, very good, very good. Very good, Lokesh, very good. So we have another 35 seconds to recover. We can walk forward, backward. 2 more sets like this, 2 more. 2 more sets like this, then just 10 minutes of cardio training and it's over, okay? Ready everyone? You can have water now, you can have water now. You can have water now. Relax for a while. You can have water. Come on, Jyoti Pal, very good. Ready for the shadow uchkomi first. Ready for the shadow uchkomi of 20 seconds. We'll give you time and Kandara sir will demonstrate and work out with you. Okay? Ready everyone? Go! Shadow uchkomi, come on, speed up, come on Rani Judoka. Yes, speed up beta, speed, yes. Come on, Shruti. Come on, Samiksha. Chinkhe ma'am. Veera. Sangliv. Come on. Mate. Mate. Break for 10 seconds. Break for 10 seconds. Relax. Break for 10 seconds. Now push-ups. Take position of push-ups. Chalo. Keep going. Keep going. Very good morning, Goswami sir. Chalo, 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 sab. Come on, Sambhavi, very strong, very strong. Mate, get up. Again, shadow Uchikomi. Again, shadow Uchikomi. Keep Goswami sir. Chalo, chalo, lift your leg, Rani, lift your leg high. अगर आप उच्ची माता कर रहे हैं तो your leg must go higher than your waist. आपकी बैठ चुप. Mohit, very good Mohit. Very good Mohit. Super. Mate. Very good morning all the coaches.
Come on, boys and girls.
Come on, come on. Go.
Doing very fine.
Go. Grab leg extension. Watch from the side angle. Watch from the side. Yes, yes, Kantara Sensei. Thank you, thank you. Keep going, 10 more seconds. With our experiences, we
Come on.
You have a very bright future ahead. Very good, Shruti. Mate, very good, Shardha and Shambhu, very good. Always punctual and always very committed towards workout. Shadow Chikomi, shadow, yes. Tayatoshi right, Tayatoshi left. Shionage right, Shionage left. Totally your call. But try to do it both sides and variety of techniques. Not just Shionage. You need to apply forward, backward, all 4 directions. Mate, relax.
Beautiful.
Good morning, Miyazaki Sensei. Mountain climber, everyone. Yeah, speed up, speed up. Speed up. Come on, Kavarpreet. Strong girl. Very good, Kavarpreet. Mate. Relax. Get up, Veera. Get up. Good girl. जब भी आपको ब्रेक मिले, चाहे वो 10 सेकंड का हो, एक लंबी सांस जरूर लें. A deep breath to recover you. Come on. Also, yes, use your hands. Yes, throw your partner. Yes, good. Keep going. Very good. Mate, बहुत ज्यादा स्पीड की जरूरत नहीं है. आप नॉर्मल रिदम में भी कर सकते हैं. जो लोग ज्यादा फिट हैं वो अपने हिसाब से इसको मूव कर सकते हैं. Those who are above the age of 16, 17 can increase the speed. Come on, Lakshmi. Yes, good girl. Lakshmi, very good. Speed up. Mate. Whenever I said speed up, that is only for the developed athletes. Okay? For grassroots, medium speed is okay. Chalo, shadow Uchikomi, Uranage. Yes, don't forget the counters. Now we don't have Mortogari, we don't have Tegurma. So please don't forget the counters. This is the only technique left. Come on, Mate, relax. The last exercise, rolling squat. You can call it Kamonage as well. Come on, Samiksha, roll down. Samiksha, come on. Roll down. Yes, good. Roll down, get up with one leg. Roll down, get up with the other leg. Yes, good. Mate. Time for break. Thank you very much, Kanta sir. Thank you very much. Boys and girls, let me clear one thing. जब भी आपको speed up बोला जाए तो please, that is not for everyone. As we mentioned, अभी हमारा सिर्फ एक ही सेशन है जिसके अंदर कुछ बच्चे 16, 17 और 18 के भी हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं. So that speed up is only for the advanced athletes. For grassroots level athletes, you need to do it with fun, normal speed, okay? After this one more set, we have cardio training for 10-11 minutes. उसके अंदर आप भी same, very good, that is very good, Jyotipal, thanks for the nice gesture. Yes, आप अगर आप समझ रहे हैं तो you can show your thumb. और जो लोग let's say I know couple of them, Lakshmi and for example Shruti Unial, couple of them, they are above the age of 15 years, so they can increase. Yes Radhika, very good, thank you Radhika. Oh, lots of thumb, thank you very much. So the speed is only for the above 15 boys and girls. अभी इस एज में आप बहुत हाई इंटेंसिटी इंटरवल ट्रेनिंग नहीं कर सकते हैं. क्लियर? यस, वेरी गुड. सो आपको बहुत तेज भागने की जरूरत नहीं है. अभी आपने वो स्टोरी सुनी है ना कछुए की और खरगोश की, तो दिस इज योर टाइम टू टेक द थिंग्स इजी. आपको स्पीड ट्रेनिंग कराया जाएगा, तो आपको जितना स्पीड ट्रेनिंग कराया जाएगा उससे 4 टाइम्स रेस्ट दिया जाएगा, 3 टाइम्स रेस्ट दिया जाएगा. जो सीनियर एथलीट्स हैं उनको कम टाइम दिया जाता है. ओके, तो gradually we develop your physical ability to compete with the advanced and senior level athletes. Okay, कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं. जैसे आप बार हम शेयर करते हैं, जैसे कि हर एज का एक टाइम होता है, हर प्लेयर का एक साइकिल होता है. जैसे अभी आप गाड़ी ड्राइव नहीं कर सकते एट द एज ऑफ 15. ओके, एट द एज ऑफ 15 यू कैन नॉट गो टू कॉलेज एज वेल. ओके, सो सेम अभी आप ऐसा ना करें जिससे आपकी बॉडी के आपको रिजल्ट मिलने के बजाय कुछ नुकसान हो. राइट, चलो, आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड. रेडी फॉर द थर्ड सेट. कीप इट मीडियम, ऑल द grassroots level athletes, come on. The third set and the last one. Ready, go. Shadow Chikomi, shadow. Yes, Shionage, Tatoshi, anything. Come on, Anugya Sharma. Very good girl. Good. Come on, Anuj Madave, Madhuri ma'am, Shambhavi. Mate, relax. जब भी आपको relax बोला जाए, it means we are asking you to take a deep breath. Expand your lungs, stretch, inhale more. Go for push-up. Chalo, Madhuri. Yes, come on. Spotlight into it, yes. Come on, Sharha. Come on, Kavya. Very good. Anjali. Mate. Come on, again, Uchikomi. Come on, Goswami sir, thank you very much for joining, always staying with us, always motivating us. Chalo, Mate, relax.
Very good, बहुत बढ़िया चल रहा है यशपाल जी.
Crab leg extension, go, come on, crab leg extension, come on girls, come on boys, very good. Speed up Shambhavi, you have to speed up Shambhavi. We can see your fitness is improving. Come on Samiksha, very good girl. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax, breathe. Ready, Shadow Chikomi. Osoto, Taatoshi, come on. Siotoshi, Ouchigari, techniques of your choice. The more variation of techniques, more stronger judo base you have. Come on, Veer. Very good, Uchimata Veer. Very strong boy. Breathe. Mate. Come on, Mohit. Get up. Go. Grab it. Come on. Mountain climber. Speed up, Shruti. Samiksha, Anjali, Anchal. Come on, girls. Come on, Rachna, ma'am. Superb. Yes. Keep going. Mate. Get up. Shambhavi. Ready for Uchikomi. Go. Come on. Go. Good morning, Suman ma'am, Poonam Rana ma'am, Rakesh sir. Come on, everyone. Take some inspiration from the senior coaches. They are always with you. Japjot, very good Japjot. Go Anuja, chalo, speed up, burpees, yes, get up, very good, 180 turn, very good Anuja, very good. Mate, again shadow Chikomi. Yes. Yes, come on, Mohit, very good boy. Barangali, come on. Surinder sir, very good morning. Relax. The last exercise, boys and girls. Look, Kantara sir is tired. Yes, come on. Go, roll up. Yes, roll down, get up. Roll down. Side. Yes. Come on, Ishanvi. Very good. Mate, can you please take Goswami sir? Thank you, Kanta sir. Thank you, Kanta sir. Can we please take Goswami sir? Goswami sir. There. Goswami sir, very good morning. Can you please? Hello. Yes. Okay. Now, boys and girls, as you are very much aware that we have just 3 sessions in a week. 3 sessions in a week. Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So please keep informed और अपने साथ वालों को भी सभी को information ये pass करें because we receive so many messages on Tuesday and on Thursday as well. So we welcome the moves of Government of India to restart and unlock process और training शुरू हो रहा है और let us inform you one more thing from our sports minister. He asked all the Center of Excellences, all the Sports Authority of India centers to restart from 1st of October to 15th of October. So the process of continued training on the mats is already started from the Ministry of Sports side and hope बहुत जल्दी आप सब लोगों को भी अपने जूडो हॉल मिल जाएंगे. तो आप सब लोग प्रे करते रहें, सेफ्टी के साथ रहें और अपनी ट्रेनिंग को इसके साथ साथ पुश करते रहें. ओके, अपनी फिटनेस को उस लेवल पे बना के रखिए. बट अनलॉक का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप बहुत जल्दी असावधान हो जाएं. ओके, सो डोंट जस्ट जंप आउटसाइड विदाउट मास्क एंड we know that you are missing your friends and while you're going out, please maintain the social distancing and safety. Okay, now just last 10 minutes of circuit training जिसके अंदर आपको बहुत स्पीड नहीं रखनी है. And again, the boys and girls above 16 years, they can increase speed. Okay, so this is just workout with 30 seconds we walk and 10 seconds we jog. 30 seconds we walk with little extra speed and then 10 second normal jogging. So we keep your heart rate at optimum level जिससे आपका cardio and जो senior level है उनको थोड़ा सा speed endurance का भी benefit मिल सकता है अगर वो अपना speed थोड़ा सा high रखेंगे. But for all the grassroots level athletes, there is no need to push yourself hard now. Okay, so get ready. Let us give you some time. The timer, let me fix the timer. It's 30 seconds and 10 seconds. Okay, the total cycles is six cycles. Okay, get ready and follow Kantara sir. He's insisting me that he'll do this workout today. Ready, everyone? The first one is skaters. Go! Skaters for 30 seconds. Come on, everyone. Continue with skaters. Get up, everyone. For 30 seconds, skater. Come on, Aditya. Come on, Aditya. Strong boy. Yes. Come on, skaters. Yes, very good, Ishan. More stretch, Ishan, for 30 seconds. Jogging, no rest, jogging. Start jogging, Ishan. Start jogging. Jumping jacks. Come on, Chinky man, jumping jacks. Keep him straight. Come on, jumping jacks. Come on, everyone. Jumping jacks for 15 more seconds. Yes, Rachna ma'am. Nobody stop in between. 10 seconds we need to jog. Come on, Veera. Yes, good girl. Okay. The next exercise is lunges with the push-up position. Come on. Yes, stretch. Go. 30 seconds. Yes, boys and girls. Yes, come on, Pratiksha Karate. Come on, Aziz, speed up, Aziz. Yes, Drushti Patel, very good, Khushi, very good. Chalo beta, speed up. Mate, get up, keep jogging, 10 seconds, nobody stop. Come on, Anugya, don't stop. Ranjit, don't stop. Chalo, high knees now for 30 seconds. Mehnaz, high knees, Jabjot, very good. Shambhavi, Harshvardhan, very good, Harshvardhan. And Dinesh sir, wow. Dinesh sir, you can increase speed and ask Harshvardhan to slow down. Another 10 seconds, boys and girls.
Next side touch. Ready for side touch.
Rest for 10 seconds, jogging. Yeah. Side touch. Come on, side touch. Come on, everyone. Come on, Rasika. Come on, Radhika. Keep moving, Radhika. Chalo beta, shabash. Come on, follow Kantara, sir. Watch the exercise and continue. Come on. Last 30 seconds, everyone. Last 30 seconds. Yes.
Very good. Come on.
Mate, but no rest. Thank you, Kanta sir. No rest in between. Keep jogging. We don't have to slow down. This 1 minute is active rest. We can talk while jogging only. We can talk. Okay? We can breathe down, breathe up. Come on, stretch up, breathe in, breathe down. No rest, just the active rest. One more set like this. Come on, everyone. Very good. Now the session became more difficult. We increase the training volume. So you manage. Your coaches, take help from your coaches. They can guide you because they know how exactly old you are. For example, for Japjot, for Kamarpreet, for Veer, it's a difficult task. Okay, now keep going. Come on, everyone, skate shots. Last set, skate shots. Come on, come on, come on, skate shots, skate shots. Come on, stretch more. Watch, stretch more. Chalo, keep going, keep going. 10 more seconds, Pragya. Very strong goal, Pragya. Very good. Jogging, jogging, Shambhavi, very strong. You're getting fitter day by day.
Ready for jumping jack. Come
Jumping
on.
jacks, come on. Come on. Wow, Anukya, very good speed you have.
Very good, Shruti Unyan. Very good.
6 more seconds. 4, 2, 1. Jogging, jogging. Very good. Madhuri ma'am, very good speed. Madhuri Desai ma'am.
Next push-up lunges. Come on.
Come on.
Very good.
mentally prepare me. Oh. अच्छा कानून
10 seconds left. Come on, come on. Last 5 seconds. Jogging, come on.
Get up, jogging, very good.
Ready for high knees. Go.
High knees, come on.
Very good, Lakshmi Nagar, very good.
What Lakshmi? Come on, speed up.
Knee up, very good.
Good, Bijoy, good. Come on, Bijoy, leave it.
बच्चों को जीने का मौका दे दो.
Jogging. Jogging. Come on, Anjali and Anchal, very good.
Side touch, come on.
Go, right. Yes, good.
Very good. Jogging.
The last one is hand out, come on. Take position, push up. Come on, kick up, go back, kick out.
Very good, Rachna ma'am. Come on, very good. Last 5 seconds.
अरे यार
Mate. Relax. Breathe. Very good. Intense and good volume. Today's training, we have a very good volume and intensity both together. So now, tomorrow also you can train for cardio. You can go for little jog for 20-30 minutes and rest. If you have access to Judo Hall, you can go and train with Uchikomi and throwing by maintaining some parameters which is guidelines suggested by the government of India. Okay? Now everyone, gap, shake your hands and start stretching. Follow Amit sir for stretching. Stretch up.
Forward. Back. Go down. Slowly, slowly go down.
You need to reload. You need to reload. Come on, Arivoli sir and the team. Very good, Anjali and Anshul. Ajiz, very good.
अरे यार
Please reload. हम हर रोज आपको सजेस्ट करते हैं कि अगर आप थोड़ा फर्दर ट्रेनिंग करना चाहें तो आप कर सकते हैं, बट नॉट टुडे. Not today. You need to cool down today. Because the training, the session itself is quite heavy for your group, for your age group.
Slowly split your leg. Go down. Catch. Try to touch your head on the floor and hold there.
There is one important message to pass from our platform that please आप सभी लोगों को कुछ मैसेज स्पोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया की तरफ आ रहे हैं आपकी मेल्स पर. Those who are the member of Khelo India schemes as well as those who win medals in the youth nationals and junior national. Kindly respond whether you wish to join an academy or no. Not an issue. If you don't want to join, no problem. But please keep the government informed. On the basis of information you provide, they have to take further decisions how to develop the schemes
And hold.
meant for you. If government is lending a helping hand to you, you need to respond. If you don't want to join, no issue. Just let them know. Throughout the workout, keep in touch with your coaches. After the session, keep your coaches very much informed that what you did today. If your coach is present, that is very good. For like, if you train today, your coach knows what you did, so they can plan your next 2 sessions, maybe in the evening and maybe on Saturday.
अरे कोई नहीं था यार आप जाते क्यों
Change up. Exchange inside.
अरे तू हलवाई
Stretch, Ajit. Stretch, beta. Stretch. Very good, Anjali and Anshul. Reload, reload. Bijoy and Purnima. Very good. Very good training partner, both of you.
Again go down.
Come on, Jyoti Pal. Stretch, beta. Stretch, please.
Stretch and hold
Shruti,
there
very good.
for 30 seconds. Up. Change.
यार तुम लोग भी रहम करो यार ये भी लग गया पीछे
Yes, very good.
किनारे पे खड़े हो ले
Kishore sir, thank you very much.
Other side.
Thank you very much, Kishore sir. Come on, Lakshmi Nagar, very good. Harshvardhan, Dinesh sir. Rakesh sir, very good morning. The best thing of this session is we can see our coaches, the coaches who trained us, we can see them every day in the morning. That's the best part. Come on, Palak Sharma, very good. Anugya became a trainer now. She's so perfect, she can take a class. Yeah, nice to see Goswami sir is there. Now in the end we can, Goswami sir, please stay there. You need to share a few things. Like.
Yes, yes, I am here. I am with you. I am with you all.
आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है सर.
Yes,
Goswami
yes.
sir. Okay, okay. Second. Just a moment, sir. Just a moment, sir.
अब
Just a
ठीक है?
moment. We need to change few things from our end.
From side angle.
बढ़ा दो. वो बढ़ा दो.
Slowly go down.
Yes, Goswami sir. अब आप बोल सकते हैं सर. Sorry, आवाज नहीं आ रहा.
Now it's okay.
Yes, sir, it's okay. Perfect now. Goswami sir, we have 3 sessions.
Okay, okay.
As you know, unlock process is started.
Yes, yes, yes. हमारे सबसे अच्छी बात है कि जो साइंटिफिक ट्रेनिंग का लाभ बच्चे उठा रहे हैं, इसके साथ साथ बच्चों को अपना जो अपने बारे में, अपने टेक्निक के बारे में, अपने फिजिकल फिटनेस के बारे में धीरे धीरे मैं देख रहा हूँ इनको अंदाजा हो रहा है, ये फील कर रहे हैं कितने लोड उनको लेना चाहिए और किस स्पीड से चलना चाहिए। साथ साथ जैसे आप लोगों का गाइडेंस है कि कितने स्पीड में करना है, कितना रेस्ट लेना है। इट इज वंडरफुल, वंडरफुल। आई थिंक जब हमको बहुत जल्दी ग्राउंड में मैट पे आने को मौका मिलेगा, मेरे समझ में बच्चे बहुत अच्छा करेंगे।
Thank you, sir. Yes, we have to compile both the groups now because couple of boys and girls are 17 and 18 as well. So we can give them different intensity.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. And now they understand. The best part is now they
हम
understand.
सभी
Sir. Sir, please.
सभी बच्चों के लिए बहुत ही एक अच्छी खबर है जो आपने कन्वे कर दिया होगा कि बहुत जल्दी हम अपना सेंटर में अपने कोचिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे, रेगुलर ट्रेनिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे। और हम लोग भी बहुत ही उत्सुक है कब अपने जो जूडोकाज है उनके साथ हम कब मिलेंगे और कब उनसे डायरेक्ट रूबरू होंगे और उनके आगे आने वाले समय में उनके कंपटीशन में अच्छा करने के लिए हम उनको ज्यादा से ज्यादा मदद कर पाएंगे।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I saw you every day meeting one after another how to restart resume the training at the centers, as you are the high performance manager of this center and you have meetings every day with the headquarters. Then boys and girls, we can thank Goswami sir and the whole administration team which is working day and night to resume the training as soon as possible. So most probably the information we have, let us share that we are resuming the training center like it is declared by the sports minister, that Mr. Rijiju, that we have to start the training from 1st of October to 15th of October. So most probably हमारा judo भी इसी के बीच में, most probably on 14th or 15th October we start the training and in the phases. So
sure.
Yes, sir.
Hope so. हाँ.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Hope so is the right word. Hope, as long as we have hope, we have everything. जब तक आपके पास उम्मीद है, सोच है, आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. So we keep the players informed very well in advance. So all the players, please keep in touch with the coaches and the side staff. जहाँ भी आप जानते हैं, वहाँ से आप थोड़ा टच में रहें, so that आपको information time पर मिल जाए. Thank you very much, everyone. We'll see you again on Monday. So again, let me remind you, we have 3 sessions, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you very much, all the coaches and all the players. Thank you very much, Goswami sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, all boys and girls.
Thanks, sir.
Keep going.